Today what we're going to do, we're going to give you a couple little approaches that I think will make your lives a little bit easier. And what I think will also happen when we're talking today, you'll see that you're probably already up to some of these things, even if you don't think about them the way that I'm going to show them to you today. Genre is one way for us to begin to understand something, right? What's the second word behind all of these titles on the end, up here? So we have research, summary and response. All those essays have what? What are their features?
Have a thesis.
Have a thesis statement.
Topic sentences.
Topic sentences.
Transition sentences.
Transition sentences. Linguists have distilled the revision process down to 4 what they call operations. So we talk about things that you need to add or delete. You need to add a thesis statement, you need to delete a word, you need to take out a sentence, you need to take something out. Substitute. We do this a lot with our students when they come in with those sweet thesaurus words. They have no idea what they mean. Reordering, right? Reorder sentences. We talk about sentence patterns. Punctuation changes when you reorder sentences. You can use the same revision operation, the same action that the student will take to explain multiple concepts. Right? So if you start thinking about ordering and sequencing, you'll be able to explain a lot more, moving more little efficiently through lessons. Great visual effects.